Hello guys, so today we will make a C plus turbo module. I think in new architecture, React Native add a new feature, so you can use a turbo module in C plus plus. So advantage is that you can write a single code base and you can use both platform Android and iOS. So that is the advantage of turbo module. And in this video, we will check how to implement turbo module and what is the advantage of turbo module. Okay, so let's start. So first I will show you just simple implementing of turbo module, and in my next video I will show you how to implement in real life scenario. So basically turbo module you can use if you are working application for trading or any there need a lot of real-time update and low latency, so you can use C plus turbo module and you can offload your logic on the C plus plus language. So that's the advantage of, and it because JavaScript is a single threaded language, and if we compare C plus, then C plus is more faster. So actually I implemented that C plus turbo module in my application. So I will show you later in next video. So let's start. For this purpose, I already write some code. So we don't need to, because working with the C++ and it is very painful and a lot of stuff and struggle require. So that's why I write some code here and I will just paste and show you how, and also I will explain why I add this line and what is the significance of this line. So let's start, guys. Okay, so let's start, and we will go in a folder and we make a new folder. So here we start. Okay, so now so this is command for our boilerplate code. So I will using latest turbo T. Okay, start. So it will take some time to generate. Just wait for a minute. Okay, so downloading is completed, and now we will open our code and start working on the module. Okay, guys, so this is our boiler code, and now first, okay, so you need to create a folder on your root directory, and then you need to put some code. So I have some code which is just showcase the turbo module. So I just have some basic code. So I will copy and paste into the app.js. So basically I remove the old and I just put right, okay, and then then you need to create a folder in your directory is called space. So we, we create a folder here and call, and here we need to create a file called whatever name we want to keep, but I think the we should use some prefix, for example like native. So the React Native use CodeGen for generate the native code. So that's why I think prefix is very important. And now we will paste this code. So basically, this is a binding with the turbo module to C plus code. So I will show you in when I create the file. And now, okay, so we create and we need to create a folder again called share folder. So share folder basically hold our logic. So first you need to add some configuration for code. Then so you go into your package.json file and add this. So you need to go and you add above the dependency this file. So basically this is the configuration for CodeGen. So it's generates the native code for us. I think I have some mistake. What is wrong there? Okay, just to see what I did here. Okay, yeah, I think missing something bucket. Okay, so now I think okay, it's a fine perfect, right? So this is CodeGen, and now you need to create a share folder. So you need to create a shared folder and root directory, and then you create a file. So in this folder, we write our native code. So we need to create a file for our logic. So I write something here. Okay. So this is header file, and one file we need to create from this folder. Right. So this is to file. So in this file, we write our logic for TurboModule, and then we can share this code in both platform, Android and iOS. So so I have some basic logic here. So I will copy and paste here, and I will show you what by mean this code. So this is if you have some idea about the C++ or have you ever worked with C++, so you know this is a header file. So here we define our function, and I mean what type of uh, logic is in main file. So we define here, and I think okay. So in this file is just a simple function. So we just passed a string and reverse and send back to the JavaScript. So here what we are doing. So here we using share pointer. So share point basically we can access runtime of the JavaScript with help of JSI. So JSI it's a interface developed by iOS to so that's why it's remove the breadth from the React Native architecture. So now you have access all the and you can directly call a function from JavaScript or from C++. It it's a bi-direction communication between JavaScript and C++. Okay, and let's now so we need to create one one thing. So we need to go. So right now I'm writing this code for only for Android, and later next video I will write for iOS because I don't have iOS, so it is a I have window system. So you need to create a folder called JNI, right? And then you need to create a file called CMake file. So CMake list file basically it is an instruction to the compiler. Okay, what should compile or what not. So that's basically so it is a right, and you need to right now I'm paste this code. So basically in this file have some information regarding our module and what the header should be compiled, what file should include during compilation. So it is very important any C++ project if you have any work with this type of project. Okay, and now one thing you need to add, you need to go app dot build dot YAML file. So app dot just a minute, right? I think YAML file, and you add this line here. So basically this is a we add the path of our CMake file in right, and now you need to do one thing. So basically you need to go inside your I think the folder we create in app directory called JNI. Okay, and go just a minute. I think JNI. Mm, okay, so I will go in JNI root directory. So here you need to run a command. So this is a command you need to run. So this will basically generate a load file, load cpp file. So this file, and so now when I enter this, it is automatically run and it creates a load file. So here I have some information about our project, and if you want to load any turbo module, so we need this file when application is start. So so basically turbo module load when we need in application. So this file is automatic. So now what we do, we need to add the module here. So what we need, we first I think add in this file our header, and so we need to our header in the file. For that purpose we need go to the we need just add the header here just below. Okay, right, so I add the header, and also need to add the module. So basically we load module in this way. Okay, and now we add that the module, and we pass JSI evoker function in the module, right? And I think now we need to start. So what first we need to go the root directory of the project terminal. Right. And now we will compile and run this. It work or not. Hello guys. So finally our application or module run, and now we will check with this module. So I just entered a random string, then it will convert to reverse. So basically it's just a simple example, but yeah, how to implement turbo module. But in next video I will write some real world scenario where you can implement this module, so it will boost your performance. And also you can explore multi-threading in React Native, because nowadays React Native use JavaScript thread and UI thread. So if you have some CPU intensive tasks, so in this case, I think Turbo module will be a best option. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.